In a small Indian village lived a bright green parrot named Mithu. He belonged to Ramu Kaka, the tea stall owner near the bus stand. Mithu could talk, whistle, and even mimic the sound of boiling tea. Every morning, when customers gathered, Mithu would greet them, "Namaste, chai pai lo." People laughed and often bought an extra cup just to hear him speak. One summer afternoon, Ramu Kaka went to the market, leaving Mithu in his cage. Suddenly, a monkey from the nearby banyan tree jumped into the stall. The monkey began knocking over cups and pulling out biscuit packets. Mithu quickly thought, "If I don't stop him, Kaka's shop will be a mess." He began squawking loudly, "R,
Kua, Kua."
Pacto." The villagers nearby heard the noise and rushed towards the tea stall. The startled monkey grabbed a banana and ran away. Everyone laughed when they saw that it was Mithu raising the alarm. "Wah, kia hashiyar todahai," said one old man, patting Mithu's cage. When Ramu Kaka returned, the villagers told him how Mithu had saved the shop. Ramu Kaka smiled proudly and gave Mithu a big piece of guava, his favorite treat. From that day, Mithu was more than just a pet. He was the little guardian of the tea stall. And whenever someone asked for tea, Mithu would cheekily add, "Or biscuit bee," making everyone smile.